right now I'm going to show you step by step how I made it. The first step is cutting the fabrics like you want. I drew a sketch and the length of the sleeping bag is I got a 210 and the width of the sleeping bag is 150 centimeters. We are going to put it here on the ping pong table, so it's easier for me to draw on it and then cut it with the scissors. So let's go do it. So I need to clean this with this. This is also something that I made in school, so yes, okay. So for cutting I got this knife. I need 2.5 centimeters on each side because of the stitching. I need to stitch it, yeah, like this. 2.5 centimeters here, 2.5 here, 2.5, 2.5. So right now I'm going to make lines. I've got 180 is from the legs to the neck, and I divide the 180 by 12. So 12 centimeters, 24, 36, and to the 180 it's like 15 sections where I'm going to put the feather. And I'm going to put the same thing on the purple fabric, to the outer fabric. So let's go. I just did the lining. It's 180 divided by 12, it's 15 sections, and right now I'm going to cut it right here above the head, and here, and the same thing on the purple one. The next thing what I am going to do is to sew all the sides, 3 normal sides, and then there is like the head. So that is going to be difficult, but I will see. And the first fabric I'm going to do, I think I'll take the hard one, and it's the yellow one, the inner fabric. So let's go. 2 hours later, I'm still sewing the edges. My bag hurts. If you would like to, you can like, you can comment something, or you can share, and I am going back to work. I think I need to learn how to do corners, because I just did it somehow, but I don't know. It looks good. No, it doesn't look good. It can be better. So yeah, I think I will leave it like this and continue. I just cut the musketeer into the sleeping bag. It's going to look like you got fabric, outer, inner fabric, and between there is like musketeer, and it's going to be by 12 centimeters. So like start 12 centimeters musketeer, 12 centimeters musketeer, like this. And the musketeer is like the width of the sleeping bag, so it's going to be like 150 centimeters. I'm going to attach the musketeer to the fabrics. So let's go. As you can see, I just did the first line and I'm going to do it 13 more times. This is it. This is it. That's the first half, and right now we are going to take the other fabric, the yellow one, and we are going to stitch these onto the yellow one. So it's going to be like this. The purple one, and above here is going to be the yellow one. And after this we are going to insert the fabrics. Finally, after some time, long time, I've got stitched both fabrics together with the Mosquito. Right now we are going to add a zip. Successfully I've stitched the zip on the sleeping bag, and I am happy how the corner turned out. I think it looks okay, and I am waiting for the other zip where it is going to end. Maybe I will bend it inside like this. We will see. Right now I just made the snake around the zip. It was supposed to be like the zip 250, but I did 260. This is going to be stuffed with the feather. We are going to fill the snake's isolation around the neck and core and head and around the zip. So how we are going to do it? I take this. This is from tissues, and we are going to do something like this, just to get it on it. Yes. And we are going to insert the feather here, put it like this, press it down, and then like move it. I just did the first snake, the longest one, and it was okay, but the feather is everywhere. That will be nice to clean it. I needed to sit down, and then I will vacuum it. So I did a quick math here, and it turns out that 900 grams divided by 15 sections is 60 grams per one section. Yeah, and how I'm going to do it, I will show you. I will take weight, bucket, and into the bucket we are going to put feather, 60 grams of feather, and from there we are going to put it inside of the sleeping bag. So if you get corners like me on the sleeping bag, you need to cut the zip around the corners like this. It's like ½ centimeter into the zip and 1 centimeter from each of the cut. So I just finished the zip. Right now I'm going to try if it's in the right spot. Right here is the end. Nice. So, and this is the final version of the sleeping bag. I will show you like this to the square, because we are going somewhere with my girlfriend and we may sleep in the car. It's good because it's like blanket and It's good for 2 people when it's hot outside. When it's good weather, you can sleep like one and second one. But it's also a sleeping bag, and you can close it. Go inside, and you can close it like this. Above head here, you can take the string. You can like close it around the head, so it's better if it's cold outside. Next thing what I did is that I put here the snake around the zip. If you close the zip from inside, from the top to the bottom, for the outer fabric I use ripstop nylon Pertex Quantum, and for the inside fabric, inner fabric, I used nylon taffeta. It's the same fabric that I used on the previous one sleeping bag that I did. The next thing that I used is the zip. The zip is 250 centimeters. I found it somewhere on internet. Last thing is the feather. I bought 80% of down feather and 20% of normal feather, and it's something around 650 coin, so I think it will be good around -5 Celsius. I will put all the links I will put under the video. This is the full sleeping bag that I did for my girlfriend. She was very happy when she saw it on Christmas Day.
Dostala svůj spacák! Ručně vyšitý! Ale ručně vyšitý, ale to dělala Vojta!
So yeah, this is it. I will be happy if you like this video and subscribe, maybe share it if you want to, and that's it. And my next project is down jacket. So yeah, let's go.